Hi pyro friends, time for another video. It's the massive 25-shot 50mm, 2-inch, and net weight of 950 gram, battery cake Big Bang Brocade from Chaos Fireworks. You could really feel the bang of the shots, coming out from the cake, in the chest. The effects are huge gold crow's stars, with red and green strobe, and blue pearls. The video does not do it justice. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I am thankful for all the support I get. Write a comment and I will get back to all of you.